Rockford homeowners know how challenging it can be to keep indoor temperatures comfortable throughout the year. With cold winters, warm summers, and frequent seasonal shifts, drafts and energy loss are common problems in homes with older or inefficient windows. One solution growing in popularity is the installation of picture windows. While often chosen for their expansive views and natural light, picture windows also play a powerful role in improving energy efficiency and reducing drafts when properly designed and installed. Here's how picture windows help Rockford homeowners save energy and enjoy a more comfortable home. Fixed design eliminates drafts. Unlike operable windows that open and close, picture windows are fixed in place. This design removes many of the weak points that allow air leakage. Because picture windows have no moving parts, don't rely on tracks or hinges seal permanently into the frame, they significantly reduce the chances of drafts entering the home. In Rockford's cold winters, this tight seal helps keep warm air inside where it belongs. Superior insulation with modern glass technology. Modern picture windows are typically built with double or triple pane glass that provides excellent insulation. Energy-efficient glass features include insulated panes that slow heat transfer, gas-filled spaces between panes, low-E coatings that reflect heat. These technologies help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reducing the workload on heating and cooling systems throughout the year. Reduced heat loss during winter months. Heat loss through windows is a major contributor to high energy bills in Rockford homes. Picture windows help minimize this problem by offering a continuous, uninterrupted glass surface with strong seals. Homeowners benefit from fewer cold spots near windows, improved room-to-room temperature balance, less frequent heating cycles. This translates directly into energy savings during long winter seasons. Lower cooling costs in summer. While Rockford winters are a major concern, summer heat can also drive up energy use. Picture windows with energy-efficient glass limit solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to enter. This results in cooler indoor spaces on sunny days, reduced reliance on air conditioning, improved comfort near window areas. The balance of light and insulation helps maintain comfort year-round. Improved comfort in living spaces. Drafts can make even well-heated rooms uncomfortable. Picture windows eliminate these drafts, creating more consistent indoor conditions. Homeowners often notice more usable space near windows, fewer temperature fluctuations, enhanced comfort for seating and living areas. This makes picture windows especially valuable in living rooms, dining areas, and family spaces. Enhanced noise reduction adds to comfort. In addition to blocking drafts, picture windows help reduce outside noise. Multi-pane glass and tight ceiling limit sound transmission. This creates quieter interiors, improved relaxation and sleep. Greater overall comfort. Noise reduction is an added benefit that complements energy efficiency. Fewer maintenance concerns over time. Because picture windows don't open, they experience less wear than operable styles. Fewer components mean fewer opportunities for seals to fail. This results in longer-lasting performance, lower maintenance needs, consistent energy efficiency over time. For Rockford homeowners, this reliability adds long-term value. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best picture windows require professional installation to deliver full energy-saving benefits. Proper alignment, insulation, and sealing are critical. Professional installation ensures airtight sealing around the frame, proper insulation within wall cavities, long-term draft prevention. A smart, energy-efficient upgrade. Picture windows combine beauty with performance. Their clean design, expansive views, and strong insulation make them an excellent choice for Rockford homes focused on energy savings. Comfort and savings that last. Picture windows do more than enhance natural light. They create meaningful energy savings and reduce drafts in Rockford houses. By eliminating air leakage points and using advanced glass technology, these windows help homeowners maintain comfort during every season. For Rockford homeowners looking to lower energy bills, reduce drafts, and enjoy brighter living spaces, picture windows are a smart, long-term investment that delivers both comfort and efficiency year after year.